Hello everyone. Let's have some fun learning about understanding our criminal justice system. In this session, you will get information about public prosecutor. Meaning of public prosecutor, a law officer who conduct criminal proceedings on behalf of the state or in the public interest. Meaning of prosecution, carrying of legal proceedings against a person. Once an FIR is registered with the police, it is the duty of the police to investigate the case against the accused person. The police officers collect evidence and ask for witnesses related to the crime. Once the investigation are completed, they produce accused person before the court. It is then the duty of the court to decide if the accused person is guilty or not, based on the fact of the case and the evidence produced. The public prosecutor is a lawyer appointed by the state who appears against the accused person in court. This is because the crime committed against an individual is regarded as a crime committed against the entire society. The public prosecutor represents public interest or the interest of society. The job of public prosecutor is to assist the state in the administration of justice. He or she is not a representative of any party. He or she helps the court to reach a decision by placing before it all the relevant aspects of the case. What is the role of public prosecutor in court? Public prosecutor represent the interest of the state. The role of the public prosecutor begins once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. He or she must conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state. He is expected to act impartially and present the full and material facts, witnesses, and evidence before the court. The person who became the public prosecutor. The public prosecutor is a lawyer appointed by the state to defend the state in all criminal matters. They are governed by the law of the state government. A person can become a public prosecutor only after completing 7 years at the bar. They have to clear an examination which is conducted by the state government from time to time. Role of defense lawyer. The third pillar of criminal justice system is defense lawyer. The role of defense lawyer, the defense lawyer appointed by the accused presents the case on behalf of the accused. The defense lawyer can cross-examine the witnesses presented by the public prosecutor and also ask the court to summon the witnesses to prove that the accused is not guilty. The defense witnesses give their evidence in chief and are cross-examined by the prosecution. The defense makes its closing address to the jury. The judge sums up the evidence for the jury and the jury member go into another room to consider whether the accused is guilty or not guilty. The fourth pillar and the main pillar of criminal justice system is the judge. What is the role of the judge? The judge who hears all the witnesses and any other evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense lawyer. The judge decides. It is not decided by the police, public prosecutor, and defense lawyer. It is decided by the judge. The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of evidence presented and in accordance with the law. The judge decides the person is guilty or innocent accordance with the law. If the accused is convicted, the judge pronounces the sentence which can be sending the person to jail or imposing a heavy fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes. This is the role of judge in criminal justice system. What is fair trial? According to the Article 21 of the Constitution, they guarantee the right to life, which states that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and just legal procedure. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld. Every citizen, irrespective of his caste, color, gender, religious, ideological background, should get a fair trial when accused. That means a judge cannot jump to the conclusion. Instead, he have to remain impartial and then decide on the basis of the evidence. At the time of the trial, the following people are present at the hearing: the judge, the accused, the lawyer, and the witnesses and the public. The victim and his family are not present during the proceedings. The only time when they appear before the court is when they are summoned as witnesses by the court. Witnesses are cross examined by the court. On the other hand, a provision contained in the Constitution protect the accused. He is not supposed to give any evidence in the court which shows his involvement in the crime. The court finally makes a judgment on the basis of evidence provided by the police and the statement given by the witness. Court can give any sentence according to the law. The rule of law says that everyone is equal before the law and would not make much sense if every citizen are not guaranteed a fair trial by the constitution. Everyone are equal before the law. This is a true mean of fair trial. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.